Hello, everyone. This is Ms. Chavez. I wanted to introduce you to a resource called Learn 360 that has a lot of different great activities that you could include in your lessons using Google Classroom because it connects directly to there. So we were on the Text Quest page. We clicked on Learn 360, and this is the home page here. So the first area is videos. When you click on that, it gives you the option to browse by subject. And when you go down here, it actually has an English language arts. But granted, there's some great stuff in social studies that would be really cool to add in there as well. But there's some really good ones that are specifically with ELA. So if we click on like the grammar, usage, and mechanics, there's a video on conjunctions and how to use them, and it's 3 minutes long. When you are wanting to use one of these videos, say we really like that one, goes in, it gives you a transcript that you can print off. It has a link right down here that you can add it to your Google Classroom. You can even cut it into segments, and then it has options for where you can share it to. So this could be really cool for just little reviews on how to do certain things if you're working on specific topics within your ELA class. It'd be a great way to have a good refresher for them. Some of the lessons are really short, some of them are really long, but I thought that might be beneficial to you as well. All right, then we have games and activities. Within games and activities, most of these are reading activities that they have in here. Some of them tie in, of course, to social studies. So whether you click on this or here, there's different options for you within this. It kind of just gives you a list of everything they have under there. So when you click on one of these options, it's going to take you to a passage, and then it has the questions right there. And once again, you can add this directly to your Google Classroom. So even though it says games and activities, it's really just like a read and answer the question type quiz formatting, but it's something that you could utilize as well. All right, the next one that I want to show you is audio. All right, in audio, we actually have some pretty cool things. So there's audio books for you where students can listen to an entire book. There's not a whole lot of options, but there's some. So there might be something that you want to connect in with your stuff. And if you notice, it's fifth grade plus. All right. And then they also have speeches. Now, this is the one I thought was really cool. It's because it has all these different speeches and it gives you the transcript for them as well. So say we want to do a Ronald Reagan one, final state of the address. Click on it. It gives us the speech itself, but it also gives the transcript that you can print off for those students that are working from home and adding that into your packets that you're creating for those students. So I thought that was kind of cool. And once again, you have that Google Classroom thing. You could do just a specific segment of it, however you want to do it. Some of them are really long, like this one's 6 minutes and 32 seconds, so 6.5 minutes. Another one I clicked on a minute ago was 50 seconds. So it just kind of depends on which one you're looking at when you're going through it. So there's a lot of great options with that as well. So there's other things that are in here. For instance, printables has information about different systems, but most of this would be for your social studies or math or science. But the fact sheets could be utilized as well. It breaks things down in timeline format. So if we look at, for instance, the social studies, right, or U.S. history, emergence of a modern America, because that's what's going on in social studies right now. Clicks through and gives you a fact sheet. Like that one is specifically a timeline. This one talks about annual immigration and quota laws. All right, so it kind of just gives you facts and details from that time period. It's almost like something you would read from a textbook that you could include instead of scanning. And once again, you can add that directly to your Google Classroom. So that's something that you could utilize as well. Just I didn't think it would be quite as useful as some of those other ones. So anyways, those are some great resources. I hope you can utilize them. In order to get into that Learn 360, there was a page that Mr. Barnett sent out last week with the leadership notes that tells you the code to get in. Unfortunately, I can't post it online, but you can post it now in your Google Classroom. So you can put that password there and therefore use these different resources. There's a lot of things to explore, so I hope that helps you out. I will talk to you soon. Bye.